Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Panel online class date 03/9/11/2020 from Bhaigat Ideal Degree College, Donbari, Tangal. Strophics, transformation of sentence, simple to complex. Subject is English second paper, part 2. How are you, student? I am fine, thank you. And my introduce Abdul Rashid, lecturer in English, Bhaigat Ideal Degree College, Donbari, Tangal. Hello, student. So, you are long time no discuss this class. And simple to complex. Structure 2.2 structure subject plus verb plus change interchange 2 change so plus adjective oblique adverb plus that plus again subject and main subject subject plus verb plus not that विभाग oblique model verb plus not plus verb oblique extension so follow the students and discuss the students and deeply discuss the students and always determine this class and there are no disturb this class so hello the students open your khata and start writing subject verb plus so plus adjective oblique adverb plus that plus subject plus verb plus not plus verb plus extension example the students simple he is too weak to walk only simple sentence and so complex sentence answer complex sentence subject verb to adjective to verb and so subject he verb is so interchange to a so adjective weak and that plus again subject and mainly main subject follow this main subject so he can't walk it's a complex sentence so he is so weak that he cannot walk he can't walk next the example all the students and always determine the students and always next he is too honest honest to show, he is too honest to show excuse. To show excuse. It's a simple sentence. Simple sentence and complex sentence. Complex sentence. Simple sentence and complex sentence. Simple. Subject. Correct answer. Subject he plus verb plus true and interchange so. So honest adjective. Honest adjective plus that mainly subject. Follow this. He can't verb show excuse and principal clause. So subordinate clause, that clause, subordinate clause. First sentence principal clause and second sentence subordinate clause. Next rule. Follow the students. Follow the students. So Della sold her hair. Della sold her hair. Della sold her hair so that Della sold her hair so that she could buy gift for Jim. Buy a gift for Jim. Buy a gift from Della sold her hair so that she could buy a gift for Jim. It's a complex sentence. It's a complex sentence. So, simple sentence. Structure this complex sentence. Subject plus verb plus subject plus verb plus subject plus verb plus subject plus verb plus object plus to plus verb base from plus extension. The structure. Complex sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus subject plus verb plus object plus so that plus subject plus could plus verb সহ বাকি অংশ. Della sold her hair to buy a gift for Jim. Buy a gift for Jim. It's a simple sentence. It's a simple sentence. It's a simple sentence. Complex sentence. Della subject verb plus object plus so that plus subject plus could plus buy a gift for Jim. She could buy a gift for Jim. Next example. Follow the students. Next example. sentence. Simple. Simple. In spite of his being, in spite of his being healthy, in spite of his being healthy, comma, he is lazy. He is lazy. He is lazy. It's a simple sentence. In spite. So the subject, structure, subject plus though oblique although plus subject plus verb, subject plus verb plus noun plus subject plus verb plus noun plus comma plus subject plus verb plus extension. Though oblique although, subject plus verb plus noun plus subject, again subject plus verb plus extension. And example, follow the students. Example, in spite of his being healthy, in spite of his being healthy, he is lazy. Complex, in spite, change, interchange, in spite, though he is healthy, comma, he is lazy. He is healthy. Answer the question. Though he is healthy, comma, he is lazy. Follow the students. So next example, simple sentence. Simple health is wealth. Health is wealth. It's a simple sentence. So WA is question, but relative pronoun, but relative pronoun, structure. It is structure. It is health plus O plus verb plus object. It is health plus O plus verb plus object. So answer, it is health. It is health who is it is health. It is health who is wealth. It is health who is wealth. তাহলে structure, subject, it is health plus who is plus verb plus object. So answer, it is health who is wealth. Next, relative pronoun. This sentence, relative pronoun, this sentence, he is a good student. He is a good student. simple and complex. Complex. It is a good student. It is he who is a good student. It is he who is a good student. So it is it plus verb plus subject plus o plus relative pronoun plus verb plus extension. Verb plus extension. Like it is he is a good student. Simple sentence and complex sentence. It is he who is a good student. It is he who is a good student. Next, the student. Next, example and structure. Next, structure. Because of my illness, I could not join the meeting. It's simple sentence. It's a simple sentence. So complex sentence. It's a simple sentence. Since I was ill, I could not join the meeting. Since I was ill, I could not join the meeting. Structure. Since plus subject plus verb plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus not plus main verb plus extension. Since I was ill, I could not join the meeting. So I close the door. Closing the door. Closing the door, I went back to work. Closing the door, I went back to work. So a simple sentence and complex sentence. So that when I close the door, close the door, comma, I went back to work. So, principal clause and subordinate clause, and it's a complete sentence. Thank you very much, all the students. See you again. Best of good luck, and waiting for next class all the students. Khuda Hafiz.